Okay. So kitchen is done. But we need something else. We need the island section there. We definitely need the island section there. Got some panels, got some units. Let's try. Haha. Okay, so kitchen unit gap for hot trolley, food trolley, and that will be fridge and worktop. Boom! That's done. That's done. So island section is ready, kitchen is ready. We can go to next floor. Next floor. Quite a few kitchens left, because this is the care home. Quite a big job, but step by step we finish everything. And that's a fridge. So next job, next dollar. Done.